Hindi vowels A to U. Vowels are those letters which can be articulated with an open vocal tract or without touching the tongue any place interior the mouth. There are 12 such letters in Hindi. This lesson we are getting to see as it were for 6 of them. Other 6 we shall see within the following lessons once we ace the primary 6 Hindi vowels A to U here. Down underneath there is an introduction on Hindi vowels. Each slide within the introduction appears a Hindi letter set and its sound. Fair underneath the presentation you have the explanation. All you have got to do is to go through each letter one by one. Watch them calmly, attempt to memorize them. You'll feel like giving up, take it as a challenge. Just spend a few time and once you pick up certainly attempt the pattern that taste after you learn all 6 letters. Don't disregard to let me know the number raised questions you got by clearing out a comment underneath. All the best. Hindi vowels A to U. Hindi alphabet A. A is a short vowel. It is pronounced like a first A in America or U in Uttar or A in Afghanistan. Hindi alphabet A is a long vowel. It has sound of I. In ice or the sound of A in grass. A is made by drawing a straight line next to A. This line is called matra in Hindi. Hindi alphabet E. E is a short vowel. It is pronounced like E in eager or I in international. Hindi alphabet E. E is long vowel. It has the same sound as that of E, but being a long vowel, it doesn't end abruptly. It has the sound of E in Greek or E in Greek. Hindi alphabet U. U is a short vowel. It has the sound of U in Google. Hindi alphabet U. U is a long vowel. It is pronounced like short U except for a little longer time.